Good morning, guys. So it's actually 3 o'clock, so I guess I should say good afternoon. I'm not doing like a chit chat get ready with me because I kind of want to watch YouTube while I do my makeup, but I do want to tell you guys that oh my god, that makes me look even uglier today. It's been a crazy day. It is Sunday the 12th. My sister Molly actually wanted to make homemade pot stickers together for just fun because she loves like Japanese, like she wants to go to Japan and all that stuff, so she wants to like try to make all this like homemade stuff like that, and I thought it would be like super fun. So we did that this morning. I should have recorded it honestly, but it took us 3 hours to do that. And like she didn't even like them, and they were okay. They weren't like amazing, but my parents said that they taste exactly like pot stickers, which was like really awesome. So like at least we knew we did it like right, but we personally didn't like them the best. I guess just because we don't like pot stickers. I don't know, we've never really had like a real one before. So we did that this morning. That's why it's like really late and I'm filming. I really don't have a video to go up today, so I figured I would just like talk to you guys and like update you on like what's going on in my life and everything like that. So I turn 21 on the 21st, so like I'm like really excited about that. Cole and I are actually gonna go to Papa's and Beer for my birthday because that's where I want to go, and I want to go get a margarita and I look psychotic. I want to go get a margarita and like eat my favorite food and just like enjoy time with my man, because that would be just like so much fun, I feel like. So that's what I want to do. He doesn't drink, so like that's why I'm not going out like to like a bar or something. Oh my god, I just got foundation in my hair. I just took a shower. I look like extra ugly because I had to put my hair back because I got foundation in my hair. So that's why I'm not going to like a bar or like going out clubbing or like whatever, just because he doesn't drink, and honestly like I don't know if I really want to do that or be around that like scene. So we're just gonna go out and I'm gonna have a drink and just like have a good time together. And then I go on my cruise February 8th, which is like really exciting. I'm still not sure if I'm going to film it yet, just because I don't know if I want to bring my camera, honestly, on the cruise, just because it's like an expensive camera and I don't know if I want to lose it and like, or break it or something, or someone steal it. So like that's why I'm kind of like iffy about it. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm still trying to decide if I want to do that or not. I did buy a couple bathing suits from Shein for the trip, so I figured I would do maybe a try on haul of the bathing suits that I got, but like thing is I don't know if I'm like that confident enough to do it, so we'll see. I might do like a try on haul on the beach or something. I don't know. I still haven't really decided yet. I kind of want to, but like I'm kind of insecure about like how I look, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I figured that would be kind of fun. So yeah, I got like really cute bathing suits and I'm like really excited about them. So I would do that. I'm thinking about getting a couple more bathing suits actually, just because even though I think it's like only a 4-night cruise or something like that, I still want options, because like if I go in the pool and then like later like go eat and then like I want to go into the pool again, I don't want to put on a wet bathing suit. So like I want to have options. I want cute pictures. Like I'm ready, you know? So like I'm really excited about that. Let me think. What else is going on? Nothing really. I have been living my best life on TikTok. If you don't know, I actually do film some TikToks. I live for TikTok. I actually have 200 and something followers on TikTok, which is like really cool. I have so much fun. It takes me like forever to learn all the dances, but it's so much fun to do. So if you want to check out my TikTok, I'll leave it in the description. Totally go follow me. Tell me you came from YouTube. It would be awesome if you would support me on there. I might do a video trying to become TikTok famous in a day or something like that, just for like fun and like see how many subscribers, how many followers I get in a day, because I feel like that would be really awesome too. But yeah, I've kind of just been living my best life on there. I would love to get TikTok famous, and not like just to be like TikTok famous just because it'd be like so much fun. Like I enjoy TikTok so much, and it's like the easiest ever, even though like it does take me a while to learn some of the dances. It is so much fun and I am living for it. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, that's what's going on right now. TikTok, going on a cruise, my 21st, all very, very exciting things. I'm gonna film a what I pack for my cruise. I got new luggage for Christmas from Cole, so I'm gonna use that and be like aesthetically pleasing. Like I'm really excited for that. I'm probably just going to wear the outfits I wore when I went to the beach with his family, just because I really just don't have the money right now to buy like 5 different outfits, and I don't know if they'd get here in time, because I would want to order them from Shein just because they have like really cute stuff. So I don't know, I'm kind of trying to decide what I want to do with all of that stuff. But yeah, that's kind of like the whole rundown. I'm trying to think of what else I want to film. I kind of want to, Cole and I are talking about starting a couple channel. So if you guys would be interested on Cole and I filming together and like doing videos together, pranks, question and answers, challenges or stuff like that with him, and like I feel like that would be so much fun. I would love to have a couples channel and like us vlog together. It'll be easier when him and I live together, but like right now we don't have that, so like we'll have to make do with what we have. But yeah, that's kind of like what we're thinking about doing, and I feel like it would be so much fun. So tell me if you guys would love to see more of him, or if you would love to see us start a channel together, and if you would subscribe to that, because that would be like so awesome. I also want to get like a professional photo shoot with him. So like we have a pretty like cover photo like and profile picture. And yeah, I just feel like it would be so much fun. I know couple channels are like really big, and I am obsessed with watching couple channels. Like actually right now my screen is Jess and Gabriel. I think Jess and Gabriel is like my favorite couple channel right now, or ever. Like they've always been my favorite. So I feel like it would just be awesome if like I shared my passion with him or something like that, because I'm so passionate about YouTube and I would love him. He actually brought the idea up, because I did talk about it before, but he actually brought the idea up to me about possibly wanting to start a couple channel together, and like that made me really excited. So I guess we'll kind of like see what happens, but if we do, I think it'll be coming within either the summertime or closer to the end of the year, just so we can get everything set up and like get our channel name and like think of a channel name. We would need an intro, like stuff like that. I would want to try to put a lot into that, because especially if we're doing it together, I kind of want to just like make it as good as it can be and like whatever, you know. So we would need professional pictures, an intro, a name. We don't even know like what we would name our channel. So like that's the thing, would it just be our names? Would it just be like Cole and Hannah? Like we don't know yet. So like that's kind of like what we're discussing, and if we would really want to do it, and it would be hard for us to do it right now just because he works and like I have to go home at a certain time and like stuff like that. So like I don't know, we'll have to figure it out, but it's just something that we've been talking about, and I think like it would be so much fun. So yeah, you guys should definitely tell us if we should do it and if you would watch us, because I think it would be like really, really fun. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. This is like how you get me, I guess, how you leave me. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to yeah, I can't talk. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and to keep updated on the couple channel and the cruise videos. I feel like a cruise video would be so much fun, and then like my packing videos and stuff like that, probably a TikTok video. So just stay tuned for all the fun stuff to come on my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.